Hey, Scott Brewer here, Level 5 Tools. I wanted to just talk to you about our warranty for a moment. You know, Level 5 offers the industry-leading 7-year warranty. You know, we did that for the benefit of the finisher. The industry standard is 5 years, and what this covers is material and workmanship, meaning if you see premature corrosion or failure of any of the materials in a Level 5 tool from top to bottom, we've got your back. It's going to mean things like your castings or some of your billet aluminum and whatnot, and that's why we take the extra care to make sure we use a lot of billet aluminum, we use a lot of high quality anodizing, we use a lot of stainless steel and brass, quite frankly more so than any other manufacturer. We build a tool that we know is going to last well past 7 years, and that's what you can expect from Level 5 Tools. So make sure you register your tools. We also put the date of manufacture on each one of the tools. You'll notice a date code on each one of the tools. It's typically underneath the logo or right next to the logo. And then I'll talk about the month, and I'll tell you the month and the date of manufacturing. So even if there's any question about your warranty, we can track it back and make sure that you are covered. So Level 5 Tools has got your back. 7-year warranty versus 5 years from every other manufacturer. Check us out at level5tools.com. If you have an issue, you can call 1-866-562-4229, or you can email us at info@level5tools.com. Contact us anytime with any issue. You know Level 5's got your back. It's always finisher first here. Welcome to the Red Zone.